Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best pressure washers available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Karcher Pressure Washer. The Karcher Pressure Washer delivers it all to tackle a variety of cleaning tasks, such as homes, buildings, RVs, cars, trucks, boats, driveways, patios, lawn equipment and more. This pressure washer packs a powerful punch with its 1800 watt/14.5 amp motor. The Karcher electric pressure washer generates up to 20-30 PSI of water pressure and 1.76 GPM of water flow. This pressure washer features a 34-inch extension spray wand to access hard-to-reach areas, such as two-story buildings and the undersides of automotive vehicles and lawn equipment. Plus its rear wheels provide easy portability around your yard. At number 5 we have Karcher Pressure Washer. It is designed for convenience. The electric power washer requires no tools to assemble, and comes with 4 quick connect nozzles including a turbo nozzle for intense cleaning. It is equipped with an on/off foot switch. The pressure washer surface cleaner is exceptionally easy to operate and delivers 1900 PSI of TruPressure cleaning power. The power washer surface cleaner features a built-in removable storage bin designed to neatly store all your pressure washer accessories. At number 4 we have mrlions pressure washer. The high pressure washer has 2 sturdy wheels and ergonomic telescopic rods. The hook is used to store wires, guns and soap bottles. It is very convenient to use. The 5 quick connect nozzles seam with different spray patterns of 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees and soap. It create variable pressures for different cleaning jobs. The soap bottle spreads rich and thick foam over a wide area to loosen dirt and grime. The power pressure washer features safety automatic total stop system, which automatically shuts off the pump when trigger is not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. At number 3 we have Stanley Pressure Washer. The Stanley comes with the best professional style pressure washer and Guns Inc. steel pressure washer wand with quick coupler nozzle fitting. The specially designed detergent bottle doubles as a high pressure foamer to get tough stuff loose or remove deep down stains. The professional grade brass garden hose connector and 22mm connections. The connection of choice for professional level accessories. The connection of choice for professional level accessories. At number 2 we have Adams Pressure Washer. This electric power washer comes ready to use out of the box with incredible upgrades, also including 40-foot steel braided hose with 3/8 quick disconnect snub nose trigger sprayer nozzle and brass inlet water connection. Optimized for every car detailing need or at-home product. This carefully designed lightweight mobile electric pressure washer has enough power and water flow to blast through tough dirt and grime and pair well with detailing tools like foam cannons, foam guns, undercarriage cleaning wands and more. At number 1 we have Karcher Pressure Washer. The SPX202E is just the right size to take everywhere you go when you want to blast away stubborn gunk, grease plus grime. It comes with up to 1450 PSI of max cleaning power. It's perfect for loads of light to medium duty jobs around the auto deck, dock, boat, cabin, porch, patio and more. It is perfectly portable, lightweight and compact at under 12 pounds. It will be your go-to tool to keep close at hand, so it's always ready for your next cleaning project. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best pressure washers for your need.